Hey beauties, if you want to see how I got these super bouncy and defined curls using $1 drinking straws, keep watching.
I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it. Your hustle don't ever go unnoticed, baby. I'm with you, I'm with it.
So I'm starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I'm going to take my dollar drinking straws that I got from the dollar store. Then I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. I did something a little different today just because of the way I wanted my hair to fall. As you can see, I've already done my back sections, but working with this first section, I'm going to take my spray bottle of water and just mist my hair. Then I'm going to go in with my TGIN leave-in conditioner and apply that to that section as well. Next, I'm going to take my SheaMoisture Curl and Style Milk that I can't let go of and apply that to that section as well. And I'm going to seal with my Jamaican black castor oil. So putting the straws in is very easy. I'm just going to take my mousse from Creme of Nature and apply that to that section. And then I'm just going to take the straw and put it at the root of my hair and wrap my hair around the straw. And I'm just going to continue wrapping my hair all the way down the straw until I can't wrap anymore. And I also found that it was best to hold the straw at the top so that my hair, because otherwise my hair was like coming off the straw. So once I get all the way down and can't wrap anymore, I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and just kind of apply that to the ends to hold it. I found that this helped make sure that the hair stayed wrapped around the straw. Then I'm just going to kind of twist the straw a little bit to make sure that it's tight at the root, and bend the straw part and take a rubber band and tie it around the top. And for the sake of comfort, I cut the end of the straw, and that's all that's to it. And I literally just did little sections exactly like that all over my head. So after I finished all my sections, this is what my hair is looking like. I think I used about 50 straws. And I just slept with a bonnet overnight, so the next morning I'm just going to take the bonnet off. And to take the straws out is super duper easy. So literally all I'm going to do is take that rubber band and pull it off the top of the straw, and then pull the straw out of that coiled hair. Again, I'm pulling the rubber band off the top of the straw and just pulling the straw out. I also like to pull on the section a little bit just to stretch it out. So I've done one side and this is what it's looking like. I'm loving this definition, this shine. Oh my goodness. And I'm just going to finish taking all of the straws out. And this is what it looks like when I've taken all of the straws out. Like, I would actually wear my hair like this. I'm loving it. So I'm just going to take a little oil and I'm just going to begin separating because I love my hair to be big and voluminous. So after I'm done separating, this is what my hair is looking like. It's so short, but I love it. It's so cute. So I'm just going to shake it out and I'm going to take my pick and pick my hair out to make it even more bigger. And this is the final look. I absolutely love it. And it wasn't hard at all. It was very easy, a little time consuming, but very easy. But I love the definition. I love the body. Like, definitely makes me feel like I want to take on a whole new persona. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe because it really helps your girl out. And I will see you all in my next video.